Knowledge justifies authority.
The KJA Global Channel.
Lighting up the world, one mind at a time.
Series 5.
The machinery of protection.
Episode 87.
Legal personhood, the right to exist before the law. Picture a person with no birth certificate, no identity document, no record anywhere that they exist.
They are alive, but to the law, they are no one.
What rights can a person claim if the system cannot even see them?
Today we examine a right most people never think about because they have always had it. The right to be recognized as a person before the law.
It sounds technical. It is in fact the gateway.
The right that makes every other right reachable lose it, and you fall through the floor of the entire system.
Start with what legal personhood means. To be a person before the law is to be a holder of rights and duties the system must acknowledge.
Someone who can own things, enter agreements, marry, work legally, go to court, and be protected by it.
It is the law saying you exist, and you count.
We take it for granted, but it is the hinge on which everything turns. Without recognition, you cannot enforce a contract, claim a wage, register a child, or stand before a judge, because, legally, there is no you to do any of it.
Now meet the people who live without it. Across the world, millions are stateless.
Recognized by no country as nationals.
Or undocumented.
Lacking the papers that prove who they are.
Many were born into invisibility.
A child never registered. A community denied identity for generations. A refugee whose documents were lost or refused.
Their predicament is uniquely cruel because it is self-sealing.
With no legal identity, they cannot access the services that would establish one, and so they remain locked outside the law, unable to claim the very rights designed to protect them.
See how this cascades through a life. The unregistered child cannot easily enroll in school.
So, they are denied education.
With no documents, the adult cannot work legally.
So, they are pushed into exploitation.
They cannot open an account, hold property,
or seek a remedy when wronged.
Every door requires the identity they were never given.
One missing recognition multiplies into a lifetime of exclusions.
This is why birth registration,
nationality reform, and legal identity for the undocumented are not paperwork.
They are the act of pulling human beings back inside the protection of the law.
This matters because invisibility before the law is a quiet form of erasure.
A person the system cannot see can be exploited without record,
removed without trace, and denied without recourse.
Not because the law condemned them, but because it never acknowledged them at all.
To guarantee legal personhood for everyone, including the stateless and the undocumented, is to insist that no human being may be made a legal ghost in a world built on rights.
So today, value the door. Recognize that the documents you may hold,
a birth record, an identity card,
are not bureaucracy but keys.
And that millions hold none support.
Where you can.
The simple, transformative work of getting people registered and recognized.
Helping one invisible person become legally visible can unlock every other right at once.
To be seen by the law is to be able to claim everything else.
Let us make sure no one is left invisible. Subscribe.
And open the door for others.
This is KJA Truth. Builds legitimacy.